Hi, I am Jayaprakash. Today I am going to explain about the grammar topic odd sounds. This is from Intermediate First Year English and this topic has 4 marks. What are called odd sounds? So odd sounds means 3 words will be given. From the 3 words, 2 words have the same sound and 1 word has quite a different sound. That different sound is called odd sound. So how can we identify the odd sounds? Because in every word 1 or 2 letters will be underlined or maybe printed as thick letters. By seeing that underlined or thick letters we can easily identify. How? Let's see. So here what is the word? Sit. So here I is giving the sound E and fit I is giving the sound E, but here in the word I, write, I is giving the sound I. So these 2 words have the same sound, but this word has a different sound. That different sound is called odd sound. So answer is right. Next, crop, O is underlined. Clone, O is underlined. Drop, O is underlined. So here crop, O is giving the sound A. Drop, O is giving the sound A. So these 2 words have the same sound, but it is giving the sound O. So answer is clone. Next, brief, diet, grief. Brief, I is underlined and it is giving the sound E. Grief, it is here I is underlined and I is giving the sound E. So these 2 words have the same sound, brief, grief, but a different sound word is diet. So odd sound is diet. Next, tough, GH is underlined. Ghost, GH is underlined. Rough, GH is underlined. So here the word tough, GH is giving the sound F, fa. Rough, F, fa. So these 2 words have the same sound, but here GH is giving the sound ga. So answer is ghost, means ghost answer. Next, call, C is underlined. Cinema, C is underlined. Cute, C is underlined. But here call, C is giving the sound ka, ka. Cute, ka. So these 2 words have the same sound, but cinema, C is giving the sound sa. Answer is cinema. Next, great, G is giving the sound ga. General, G is giving the sound ja. Group, G is giving the sound ga. So these 2 words have the same sound, great, group, but here general, G is giving the sound ja. So here odd sound is general. Next, press, stress, pressure. Here SS is underlined. So in the first word SS is giving the sound sa, s, and second word also giving the sound sa, s. But here in the third word SS is giving the sound ja, pressure, ja. So answer is pressure. Next, S is underlined. Okay, leisure, S is giving the sound what? Ja. But here it is giving the sound what? Sugar, sha, sugar. And here sure. So here sugar, sure have the same sound, but leisure, it is a different sound. So answer is leisure. It is the odd sound. Next, cheap, chain, chaos. So in every word CH is underlined, but in the first word CH is giving the sound cha, cheap. Second word also giving the sound cha, chain. But here CH is giving the sound ka, chaos. So answer is chaos. Next, organ, order, owl. So here O is underlined. So O is giving the sound a, organ. Here also O is giving the sound a, order. But here O is giving the sound ow, owl. Answer is owl, because these 2 words have the same sound. Next, TH is giving the sound the, because that. Here TH is giving the sound tha and TH is giving the sound tha. tha. Think, thousand, same sound, that different sound. So the R sound is that. Next, sure. So salt, silk. So here sure, sha sound, salt, sa sound, silk, sa sound. So here silk, salt, same sound, but sure is giving the different sound, means R sound. That is called sure answer, R sound. Read, EA is underlined and EA giving the sound E. Next, beak, EA is underlined, EA is giving the sound E, but here EA is giving the sound ear. So that's why answer is deer, because read, beak have the same sound, but this word has a different sound ear. So answer is deer. Next, mix, X is underlined, box, X is underlined, Xerox, first X is underlined. So here the first word mix, X is giving the sound X, box, X. So these two words have the same sound, but here this X is giving the sound Xerox, means ja sound. So here answer is Xerox. Next, look, book, door. So here OO is underlined, okay, but here in the first word look, OO is giving the sound oo, look, and the second word also OO is giving the sound oo. These two words have the same sound, but here door, it is giving the sound O. So this is quite a different sound. So this is called odd sound. Okay, right. So if you like this video, do subscribe, share, and click on subscription button. Thank you.